Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. In this video, I am going to show you how to add your own custom font in CapCut. So this is going to be a nice and easy tutorial, and we could do this on both Windows and Mac computer. So the first thing we're going to do is just open an internet browser and type this website. Download the font you like. Unzip the font. Then install the font. Now open CapCut. Then click Create Project. Click Text. Default text drag and drop timeline. And change the font. Search Install Font and select. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching.